First of all, massive congratulations on that phenomenal Ferrari lap. We've never seen anything like that. I'm buying time here, because this obviously is it's a big moment. My heart's fluttering. If you want to do it, on your head be it, remove your helmet. He's changed his mind. I knew he would. Go on. Be brave. Show the ladies and gentlemen that you are not a photocopy. They want to see. He's coming. Is it Susan Ball? Is it Susan Ball? Oh my God! First of all, did you really once punch a horse to the ground?